Hey everyone, just to touch base with you guys. This is week 2, day 1. So if you look at it, I have the don't memorize. I told you guys you can stop at 2 minutes, 2 minutes and 40 seconds. You don't need to go past that. We will spend some time on that, and I'll probably have you guys rewatch the video on that. She does a good job on that. She does have an accent, but overall, I think it's a very good animation. So then you're going to look over the PowerPoints. This is the flashcards. That's the motion flashcards. If you guys see, this is just basically a review on speed and velocity. It's been a month officially today since we've been in the classroom. So, oh, there we go. Yep. So you'll go through, just read through those. That won't take very long. Okay, but this is a new word that we're learning now. It's called acceleration. And we're going to be spending the rest of the week on that. Okay, so then the last part, you'll have to go read through that, is speed, velocity, and acceleration. I think I can blow this up just a little bit more. Oh, okay. I'm learning Google Docs slowly but surely. Okay. So the instructions say, using what you've learned about speed, velocity, and acceleration, label the following with the correct words: speed, velocity, and acceleration. I purposely chose some assignments that do not have math in them. So slowly I'll figure out how to get math incorporated a little bit more. Okay. So if we look back at our slides, our motion slides, we have speed, which is a ratio, it's a distance over time. Velocity is speed with direction. And if you watch the don't memorize worksheet, you'll have that, or you'll remember that. And basically, acceleration is something that's speeding up, slowing down, or changing direction. It's distance over time, and we'll spend a lot of time on that. So the geese fly 23 miles per hour south when they migrate to the winter. So what you're going to do, since you guys are getting incorporated, I've spent some time and figured out all you have to do is click on that. And then you're going to type your answer in. Okay. So speed, miles per hour. Ooh, that is speed. But what the trick is that it's south. So this is actually velocity. It's our velociraptor that we have there. Okay. It's not changing. It's not going around. This is probably the average velocity from the beginning to the end. It's going to change its speed, but as a whole, it's staying about 23 miles per hour. All right, holler at me, excuse me, SCOFFMAN at TPS501.org.